In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add robots.txt in Google Sites. If you've been looking for a way to manage how search engines crawl your Google Sites content, you've probably discovered that Google Sites doesn't let you upload or edit a robots.txt file directly. That's okay, there are built-in controls that achieve the same outcome for most use cases, and I'll walk you through them step by step. First, sign into Google Sites and open the site you want to manage. Make sure you're in the editor for that specific site, so the settings you change apply to the right place. Because robots.txt isn't available, we'll use visibility settings instead. Open the settings panel. From there, go to custom URLs, then click advanced. This is where Google Sites surfaces search-related options. Look for the option that lets you hide content from search engines. Turn on hide from search engines for any pages you don't want appearing in search results. What this does is signal to search engines that these pages shouldn't be indexed. It doesn't physically block access like a traditional robots.txt might, but it tells search engines not to show these pages in results, which is often what you want. Keep in mind that search engines respect these signals when they recrawl your site, so changes aren't instant. It can take some time for updates to be reflected in search results. If something is already indexed and you need faster removal, use Google Search Console. In Search Console, the URL removal tool lets you temporarily hide a page from search results while your longer-term settings take effect. This is especially helpful if you're cleaning up content that was previously visible. For even finer control, add a noindex directive using your page settings. A noindex meta tag tells search engines not to index that specific page, and it's the standard page-level way of managing visibility when a robots.txt file isn't available. Use it on pages like thank you screens, internal hubs, or drafts that you don't want in search results. As a tip, consistency matters. If you hide a page from search engines, avoid linking to it prominently across your site, and double-check that it isn't included in sitemaps managed by other tools. Also, give search engines time to recrawl. Changes won't be reflected immediately. That's it. While you can't add a robots.txt file in Google Sites using the hide from search engines option, Search Console's URL removal and the noindex meta tag gives you practical, reliable control over what gets indexed.